recently purchased Dmae by Model Supplies. We've been selling this for years and it's such great. It keeps your skin from sagging, it reverses it. And it's so easy to use. It comes with this kit, and the kit has a little recipe inside, sort of, a little formula. You don't have to use everything that's listed on this. It says at the top, use one or all of these ingredients. And so what I'd suggest you do if you're brand new to this is just use the Dmae. And so it comes with all of our powder and liquid ingredients come with this chart. The chart has, let me see. The chart has the percentages, and that would be your desired percentage that you would like to use of product, whatever the active ingredient is. Today we're going to say that it's Dmae. You look next to it and it shows how many milliliters or grams to add per ounce of base. So whatever it says, multiply it by how many base, or divide if you have a half ounce or whatever. And it's very simple to use. It's not perfect, but it's really, really close. It's the same math you would get if you did it each time. So there's no reason to have to do that. I made this chart. So with Dmae, everything is so much easier with a scale. Especially powders, but liquids is way more precise. If you use a scale, just a little pocket digital scale. We used to sell these. I don't have any right now because of it's been difficult to get things in the last, All right, hold on. I'm gonna attempt to open this. Get your bottle. And with Dmae, we only send out the big scooper because that is typically what you need. So I'm gonna say I wanna make my cream 5%. I'm gonna look here. It says 5%, then add 1.5 grams per ounce. So for every ounce of base, I'm gonna add 1.5 grams. I'm just gonna take it off. This is double bagged for freshness to keep the moisture and humidity out so it doesn't clump. It doesn't degrade the strength. And it says on here, it says quick start, add a 1/4 teaspoon Dmae included, that would be this, to half a bottle. Okay, I'm gonna just turn on the scale with the bottle already on it. That will take away the weight of the bottle. If it's not perfect, you can hit tare on these scales and then it will take away the weight of whatever is on there. Very helpful if you're making a product that you want to have more than one ingredient. After you do measure out the Dmae or whatever and you want to add vitamin C or something, then just hit this tare button and it starts back from scratch. You can just go back to the thing, see how much, if you want to put 10% vitamin C, ascorbic acid, do that, put that in here. But right now, I'm going to weigh out what the current weight of, okay, that is about 0.9. 0.9 would be 3%. 3% for every ounce. So that's typically what our formulas are, usually about 3%. We want to make sure that people don't experience irritation, and we want to also, and now at this point you can either fill this with water, you could fill it with cream, you could go with another half a scoop of this. If you get too much, you can always put some back in the bag. All right, and now I have 1.5. 1.5 plus 0.9 is 2.4. 2.4 makes it 8%. You really shouldn't go above that. It could cause irritation. So I'm gonna just put this back in the jar. I'm gonna go, oh no, I didn't want to do 8%. I'm gonna take some out. So, and then I would just, you could fill this with water even and make a toner, just apply it to your face before you put on any moisturizer, or it could be drying if you don't add moisturizer. You could fill it with cream, any kind of, like I have Jergens, you put cream in there, put the lid on, shake it up, it will liquefy. It will liquefy, and it should. The Jergens, it'll turn whatever it is into a liquid, pretty much. You can start with a stiffer cream if you want to, but it's going to be more difficult to. Believe me, the results are going to be worth it. You're going to not mind turning your thick, heavy cream into a liquid type thing once you start using this. I'm just going to go ahead and store the little scooper inside here. It just makes it easier to, and then I just put it back in the double bag, and boom. So yeah, there's it's a super easy thing to do. It is crazy easy. This works this way for anything. If you're using a pipette, then it would work the same way. The chart is the same, the weight is the same on a scale. So you just look at this. If you don't have a scale, then with a pipette you can look at this. It will say ml for milliliters / grams. And the pipettes, I should get one. Say you want to add AHK copper peptides to your shampoo and conditioner. It works the same exact way. For AHK, you can put typically like 5% in there. And so 5%, 1.5 mils or grams per ounce. So these pipettes they hold, if the entire thing is filled, it holds 7 milliliters. If you only look from here down, from the bulb, this is what I'm calling the bulb, this part at the very top, the bulb. It will hold 3 mils before the bulb. So if you only look at this part, you'll see that it has markings on it. Look for the most prominent of the 3. And you'll see that 1 mil is right about here, 2 mil right about here, 3 mil is right there. And so if you're doing 1.5, it's going to be obviously right in between. So you go right about there. And it actually says 1.5 right on it. It's not that easy to see, but it is in this light. It says 1.5 right on it. And then, so if you have a 6-ounce shampoo, do this 6 times. That's really the easiest way to do it. Do it 1, 2, 3. If you have, you could put your shampoo or conditioner into one of these mixing bottles, although we don't include one with liquids because usually people just use their bottle. Maybe you know your conditioner is halfway used, so there's 3 ounces in that 6-ounce bottle. Just add 1.5 3 times. It's really the simplest way. When you get away from measurements, when you get away from weighing, when you start counting drops, it starts to get really fuzzy. It gets, far less worse than our magic percentage map. So yeah, this is the easiest way, is to use this. And some of our new bottles, like the keratin bottles, have now a marked pipette. The dropper top, the lid, the cap on the bottle has markings on it. And some people will prefer to use that. For me, I'm using a bottle like this for my keratin personally right now. I was going to start selling it that way, but I thought that people would be upset and think that I was shortchanging them. It's really hot in here. Sorry. Anyway, I don't know why, but it's pretty hot. Maybe it's all the lights. I don't know. Anyway, I use it. I use this turret top lid, and I just squirt it in my hand. You probably saw that in my keratin commercial, and I love to use it that way. I don't find that using keratin needs as exact measurements. Not anymore. I've gotten really good at it, applying it to dry hair. My hair is in really good shape. Let me show you. I'm just gonna show you. Hey, this is my friend's, and now I can't think of her name. I can't think of the product name. Oh my gosh. I will find out. It's my friend Diane at myeasycurls.com. Curls, I use one sheet of toilet paper, like permanent, and when you do permanents, it protects the ends. I put that, and then I roll up my bun, whatever the bun is. This time it happens to be this. I love this thing, it's great. So anyway, I don't have split ends. I used to have really like thin, straggly hair, and I never have had hair like this in my life. I always wanted it, never had it. Now that I'm 58, look at my hair. Can you believe this? So anyway, the way I'm applying keratin is just directly to my hair, and then I go in the shower and wash it a few minutes later, like 10 minutes later. Uh-oh, my dog Pony has found a Ouija toy. Yeah, all I did to my hair, wash it, I let it dry by air, and then I wrapped it up. I put it in a ponytail on top of my head, and then I cover up the ends with a piece of toilet paper, one single sheet, roll it up, boom, 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 snap it. This has snaps on it. Snap it, leave it there a couple of hours, unfurl it, and this is my hair. My straight, thin, fine hair. This is it now. And so I want this for you too. I want this for you too. I just turned 58, and yeah, if I can grow my hair like this and have it be like this at the ends, you can too. All right, so I wanted to show you a bunch of other things too. I apologize for taking so long to get it together. I am now working for AAA. Yay! Benefits and stuff! I work from home for AAA, and I still, of course, run Model Supplies. Model Supplies is almost 20 years old. I love that business. I've loved supporting you and helping you achieve your goals for hair and skin over the years. And I'm gonna start making more videos. I think this is a pretty good spot. I think that, one of the things that stops people from starting to make videos is definitely, where am I gonna do it? Where am I gonna do it? And in the end, I think that if you just have a good space, I think this is fine. For right now anyway. We'll build a set. We'll build a set in the basement or something, I don't know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if you even just found me funny, please give me a big thumbs up. I'm gonna start making more videos again, and I do appreciate you so much over the years, your loyalty. If you're brand new, welcome model. Yeah, everybody is a model. The reason that Model Supplies is called this is because I used to be an instructor at Barbizon in like 1998, 99, and so I formulated that name back then, and I'm here to support you and bring you your supplies.